Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Kartika Wahyuningsih. I'm from Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. Now I want to present my journal article about the influence of learning model score, connecting, organizing, reflecting, and extending to critical thinking ability and achievement student of grade 5 of Tritikulon 5 Elementary School. First, introduction. The importance of 21st century skill in education and human research development has become a very relevant and important topic in the era of globalization and rapid technological advancement. The education implemented must be able to prepare students to be able to compete in a global society. Every person living in the 21st century must have at least six skills, namely collaboration, communication, critical thinking, creativity, character, and citizenship. In Merdeka curriculum, critical thinking is highly expected in every child. Therefore, the government requires educators to carry out learning by honing children's critical thinking skill, starting from learning that is part 10 after high order thinking skill or HOTS or questions that are at high level based on the result of observation. The situation of the school saw that the quality of science in grade 5 is felt to be not in accordance with expectation. This is indicated by the low critical thinking skill of students and the low learning achievement of students in science subjects. Therefore, learning is needed that is able to direct students to be active in the learning in order to balance critical thinking skill, and the model that can support this is the core learning models. Second, research purposes. The first, to analyze the influence of the core learning models, connecting, organizing, reflecting, extending on the critical thinking skill of class 5 student of the Tritikulon 5 Elementary School. Second, to analyze the influence of the core learning models, connecting, organizing, reflecting, extending on the learning achievement of class 5 students at Tritikulon 5 Elementary School. Third, method of the research. Sugiono 219.109. Experimental research method is a research method used to find the effect of certain treatment on other under control conditions. The type of research used is quasi-experimental research. The form of quasi-experimental design used is to use non-equivalent control group design, which is a quasi-experimental design by looking at the difference between the pretest and post-test between the experimental class and the control class. They are not randomly selected. Setting. The research was conducted at Tritikulon 5 Elementary School. The research was conducted in semester 2 of the 2023-2024 academic years. Population and sample. The population of the research 304 students. Sample in the research class 5A as the control class consists of 20 students. Class 5B as the experimental class consists of 21 students. Data collection technique: interview, observation, and test. Data analysis technique: pre-requisite testing and hypothesis testing using t-test. The second result about critical thinking. Critical thinking have three tests. The first, normality test. Based on the result of the normality test, a significant value of 0.134 is obtained, which is greater than 0.05. In accordance with this result, it can be concluded that the data is normally distributed, which means that HO is exact. Second, homogeneity test. Based on the result of the homogeneity test, a significant value of 0.235 is obtained, which is greater than 0.05. It can be concluded that the control and experimental class data have the same or homogeneous variance, which means HO is exact. The third, hypothesis testing. The final data of average value of the experimental class and is higher than the control class group, seen from the average, which is 16.15 with 17.35. Based on the result of the independent t-test, a significance value of 0.030 under 0.05 was obtained. This shows that there is a significant difference between the average value of student learning achievement in the experimental class, which applies the CAR model, and the control class, which doesn't apply the CAR model. The last conclusion. The conclusion obtained of the influence of the core learning models, connecting, organizing, reflecting, extending, on critical thinking skill and learning achievement of Class 5 students of Tritikulon 5 Elementary School are: the first, the core learning models in this study was proven to be effective in influencing the critical thinking skill of grade 5 students, with the result of the independent t-test obtaining a significance value of 0.049 less than 0.05. For the reason, the learning model can be used as a reference for educator or teacher and can be used in each class. Second, the core learning model in this training has been proven to have an effect on achievement of grade 5 students, as evidenced by the increased science test score. Okay, everyone, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.